Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to listen to a story about challenges and growth. It's about a young boy who feels lost in the face of difficulties, but learns that every struggle is an opportunity to grow stronger. Listen carefully until the end, and I hope you will learn something valuable from this story. So let's get started. Challenges shape success. In a peaceful village surrounded by towering hills, there lived a young boy named Ethan. He was full of big dreams, dreams of traveling the world, helping others, and living a life filled with happiness. But no matter how hard he tried, every time he faced an obstacle, he felt discouraged and unsure of how to move forward. Ethan came from a simple family. His parents worked tirelessly to provide for him and always encouraged him to follow his dreams. Yet he began to believe that the harder he worked, the more challenges he encountered, and his dreams seemed to drift farther away. One afternoon, as he wandered through the woods hoping to clear his mind, he came across an elderly man sitting beneath a large oak tree. The old man gazed at the sky with calm eyes, his face marked with deep lines of experience. Noticing Ethan's troubled expression, he spoke gently. "You seem burdened, young man. What's on your mind?" Ethan sighed. "No matter how much I try, I keep facing setbacks. Every time I take a step forward, something pushes me back. I don't know if I'm meant to succeed." The old man smiled knowingly. "Let me tell you a story," he said, patting the ground beside him, inviting Ethan to sit. The old man began. "Once, a tiny seed lay buried deep beneath the soil. It was surrounded by darkness, pressed under heavy earth, and had no idea what lay above. The ground was dry, and the winds howled fiercely, but the seed refused to give up." Ethan listened closely. Day after day, the seed pushed against the earth, struggling to break free. The harsh environment tested its strength, but it kept going. After many days of effort, the seed finally emerged from the soil and reached toward the sunlight. The old man paused, watching as Ethan leaned in, fully absorbed in the story. As the seed grew into a small plant, it faced new challenges. Strong winds shook its fragile stem, and heavy rains threatened to drown it. But instead of breaking, the young plant allowed its roots to dig deeper into the earth, gaining strength with every storm. Ethan's eyes reflected curiosity as the old man continued. The plant grew taller, its trunk becoming sturdy and its branches stretching outward. Over time, it became a magnificent tree. It was not the storms that harmed it, they shaped it, making it stronger. The old man turned to Ethan. "The struggles you face are like those storms. At first, they seem overwhelming, but without them, you cannot grow. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn, to become stronger, and to prepare for greater things ahead." Ethan's expression changed as the words sank in. He realized that his hardships were not signs of failure, but necessary steps toward his growth. "Remember," the old man continued, "success is not about avoiding difficulties. It's about facing them, learning from them, and using that knowledge to keep moving forward." From that day forward, Ethan's perspective on life shifted. He no longer feared difficulties, but saw them as lessons. Every time he encountered a problem, he asked himself, "What can this teach me?" He grew wiser and stronger with each experience. Years passed, and Ethan's perseverance paid off. He became a respected figure in his village, sought after for his wisdom and advice. Yet he never forgot the lesson he had learned under the oak tree. His success was not just the result of his hard work, but of his willingness to embrace challenges with patience and determination. True success isn't about avoiding obstacles, it's about learning from them and using them to grow. The more challenges you face, the stronger and wiser you become. Never give up, for your growth and success depend on how you handle life's storms. And that's the end of today's story. Hope you enjoyed the story and learned something new. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next story. Thanks for watching.